Bhaiya, how much?
Bro, you have so many credit cards.
Yeah, I need them.
You need all of them?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes. And let me show you something. So, this is my oldest credit card, and this I got when I was in college final year.
Wow, nice. And I was thinking of closing one of my oldest credit cards.
But you should not do that.
Why? What good is it doing to me?
No. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. And you also. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing a topic that many of us might face at some point of time, whether or not to close our oldest credit card. It might seem like a simple decision, but it can have a significant impact on our credit score. So watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Well, yes, closing our oldest credit card can indeed affect your credit score. But how exactly? Let's break it down. Firstly, your credit history length matters. The length of your credit history plays a crucial role in determining your credit score. Closing your oldest credit card can shorten the average age of your accounts, potentially lowering your score. For example, you bought your first credit card in year 2019 and started using it. Then again in 2021, you bought another credit card and started using it. Now understand this. We are in 2024, so the credit history of card bought in 2019 is 5 years and that bought in 2021 is 3 years only. So if you close the older credit card which is bought in 2019, then automatically your oldest credit history will be of 2021, which means your credit history length will decrease, which will have an impact on your credit score. Secondly, your credit utilization ratio can be impacted. Closing a credit card can reduce your total available credit, which might increase your credit utilization ratio. For example, you have two credit cards with 5 lakh value each. You spent roughly around 2 lakhs from each card, which is in total 4 lakhs. Now, if you close your older credit card, then your available credit will reduce down to only 5 lakh. And if your expenses remain same, which is 4 lakh, then it will negatively impact your credit score. A higher utilization ratio can negatively impact your credit score. Thirdly, loss of benefits. Some credit cards offer reward, program, travel benefits, or purchase protection. Closing the credit card means losing these advantages. Potential for reactivation. If you need access to credit in the future, it might be easier to reactivate an existing account than applying for a new card. Emergency backup. Keeping an unused card with a zero balance can act as a safety net in case of emergencies. It provides access to credit if needed, avoiding the need for high-interest loans or lines of credit. However, it is not all doom and gloom. There are some situations where closing a credit card might be a good option. Annual fees. If the credit card has a high annual fee that you're not utilizing the benefits of, closing it might be justified. Multiple cards with similar rewards. If you have multiple cards with similar reward programs, closing one with a lower limit or fewer benefits might make sense. Remember, while credit cards offer me benefits, they come with the responsibility of managing your spending wisely. Avoid overspending and pay your balances in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. Choose a credit card that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals to maximize the benefits. The decision to close a credit card depends on your individual circumstances and credit goals. So before opting for closing your credit card, weigh the pros and the cons carefully. Consider factors like your credit history length, credit utilization ratio, and any potential fees associated with the card. By understanding how credit scoring works and carefully evaluating your individual situation, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals. I am Ria. Thank you for watching, and for more such interesting content, follow Freedom Money English channel and download the Freedom app.